What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Young Dub coming at y'all with another video here. I'm doing another update on the channel. Y'all see that beautiful piece of work of art in front of y'all, man? Hey, this is a 4-pack of some DS18 EXL speakers, man. I just got, let's see, I just got this pair in here tonight. I was going to do an unboxing video on them, but I did do an unboxing video on the two back here. So since I went ahead and did that, I said, hey man, screw it, I'm gonna go ahead and show off the baskets on the speaker. So I know a while back I did do a well, not a while back, just recently I did do a video of the custom door pod speakers here, these little jokers here. And like I said, the shiny glistening glimmer that y'all see on these here, the way it looks in the video is exactly the way it looks in person. So y'all see this is one pair and that is another pair. So since I got a 4-pack of that, I got to go ahead and do a 4-pack of the DS18 speakers. I know I did also do a unboxing video of the DS18 speaker grills, which are white. So that'll go with the theme as far as white and black. That is the theme for me this year. Candy red baskets. Hey man, I hate to keep something like this down and hidden, man, but you know, it is what it is as far as the way you got to mount your mid ranges, your mid bass, your highs, all that. So just doing a quick update since I got the other two in. These are brand spanking new. Of course, those back there are brand spanking new. So moving along, man, we got the build coming sooner or later. It's probably gonna be later due to the fact we're in the midst of a snowstorm right at this very minute. Y'all know I'm in Omaha, man, so it is what it is. So I think I stated in one of my other videos, I'm not about to try to rush through this build because all it's going to do is make more work in the end. So I'm going to just be patient, sit around and take a look at these beautiful speakers. So like I said, these two right here, there's that one there, brand spanking new, just got those in. These have been sitting around for quite a while, but that's just the gist of the way I'm doing my build this year, man. Some of this stuff is just gonna have to sit around for a little bit. I order it in, I unbox it, more than likely put it on the channel here, take a look at it, do a little discussion with y'all, man, and I put it away in the corner. Let me move these out the way. Now, in the midst of doing that video, let me grab these here. I believe on the video where I did the unboxing of the custom door speaker pods, I did say, hey man, it's been time for a giveaway. I was going to give away these here, the Orion dual amp inputs. They're pure copper. Y'all know, like I said, if y'all been following the channel last year, I did try to do some stuff with Orion. That amp went up in flames, so that pretty much just turned me off to them. Couldn't get in touch with them, anything like that. So I said, hey man, I'm done with it. So let me get the phone here. I know I did tell y'all that, hey, go ahead and put some numbers in and we'll go from there. So number 698, you're a winner. Number 410, you are a winner. And just me being on the safe side, I went ahead and did a screenshot on this stuff, y'all. So looks like Tyron Scott. You probably won't be able to see that. There we go. So Tyron Scott, you're a winner, and I'm going to assume Eddie Calderon or Calderon. I know I'm probably butchering your name, man. Please forgive me. I don't know if it's Edie or Eddie, but Tyron and Eddie or Edie, y'all are the winners. Y'all had the numbers 698 and 410. So I'll go ahead and post my email down in the description box of this video. Y'all hurry up and get in touch with me. Hopefully I can get these shipped out Saturday morning. If not, worst case scenario, I'll ship them on Monday. So now, with me doing an update, DS18 got those EXL speakers in 4-pack now. Got the lucky winners of these here Orion dual amp inputs. Gonna put these down here. Gonna move this out the way. So let me grab this here. Y'all see, that is a Hippo XLR subwoofer back there, along with my speaker wire. Well, not speaker wire, but the wires for the amps and stuff like that, man. But y'all do see some Resilient Sounds Onyx 12s. We got a 2-pack here. If y'all been following the channel, man, y'all know, hey, I had those Hippo XLR subs in the Malibu last year. Was going to upgrade to the Onyx 12s. Did a comparison video between the Onyx 12s and the Hippo XLR subs. Those massive subs are amazing. They're great. I just wanted to step up a little bit more. So I went ahead and got the Resilient Sounds Onyx 12s here. If you've been following the channel, you know, hey, I got smashed in the Malibu. The Malibu's gone. Bounced back with a Chevrolet Tahoe. When I got the Tahoe, everybody came out the woodwork. Hey, man, don't do 12s, man. You got to run some 15s now. You got to run some 18s. I kept saying no. Year one, I'm just going to, like y'all just seen, I did the 4-pack. I want to do the mids and highs. Let me get the mids and highs squared away. And we'll start on the bass next year, even though I was still going to run these 2 12s. Well, okay, cool. If you still want to start small, you can do that. Just, you got a truck now. You got to do some 12s, or I mean, you got to do some 15s or 18s. You can't do the 12s. I kept saying, nah, man, I'm going to just stick with the 12s. Got to do Resilient Sounds. I got my bass knob made saying Resilient Sounds. So far, it seems like a pretty cool company. I'm going to stick with them. So y'all know me, man. If you put that battery in my back, I got to say, hey, let me go look at some 15s. Let me go look at some 18s. Everybody was tagging me on Facebook. Hey, man, this dude got some Resilient Sounds, this for sale. This dude got some Resilient Sounds, that for sale. Hit these guys up, you know, kind of saying, hey, you know, what's the gist of the, what, you know, like what route are you looking to take as far as sub stuff like that? A lot of these dudes was, hey, man, cash is king. I'm trying to do some Resilient Sounds Team 15s, trying to do some Team 18s, man. So I said, you know what? Let me go back. Facebook Messenger, let me hit up Robert. Robert is the guy that owns the company. Let me hit him up, see what he'll say. Hey, man, you know, would you be willing to swap me out these Onyx 12s for some Platinum 18s? Long story short, I highly recommend Resilient Sounds. Robert is the owner of that company. My man, grade A customer service. I told him, hey, you know, how would you feel if I was willing to pay the shipping as far as sending these Onyx 12s back and swapping them out for the Platinum 18s? He hit me up, was like, yeah, you know, if you want to do that, man, it's going to cost you a little bit to ship them. But if you do that, let me check them out, make sure there's no plan time on them. Once everything checks out, I'll go ahead and get those 18s out to you. I said, hey, man, that works for me. I definitely appreciate it. So I also hit him up like, hey, by the way, I need a Resilient Sound sticker for the back window of the truck. When you got grade A customer service like that and you follow through, I definitely want to rep the company. He was like, hey, don't worry about it. You send the subs back. I'll go ahead and throw it in for you, man. So y'all stay tuned. These Resilient Sounds will be going out the door tomorrow. I wanted to ship them today, but like I said, unfortunately, we're in the midst of a snowstorm. So I'll be pulling up to FedEx or UPS or whoever the hell's open. I'm going to get these out the door, get them back to Ohio, and set and patiently wait for the 18s to come in, man. So that's another one on the channel, man. Y'all stay tuned for that. So y'all know the deal. Any questions, comments, concerns, go ahead and hit me up. I'll try to get back to everybody. Once again, let me go ahead and put in the recommendation to Resilient Sounds. Hit up that man, Robert, on Facebook. I believe it's Robert Vucic. I hate saying people's last names because I don't want to be disrespectful and butcher y'all names like that. Please forgive me. But like I said, at the end of the day, go ahead and hit up Resilient Sounds. Hopefully this video can get them another pair of subs sold, man. It's your boy Young Dub. Y'all stay positive. Enjoy your weekend. I'm out of here.